Hi guys, I'm making this video after a long time, and today I'm going to unveil the KG Cosmos Players Edition cricket bat. It's a Kashmiri willow bat, and I bought it. So today I'm going to unveil the KG Cosmos Players Edition cricket bat. It's a Kashmiri willow cricket bat which weighs around 1 kilogram, and I bought it from, here is the bat, and I bought from a local sports store, which cost me around 1500, which cost me around 1480 rupees, and its actual price is 1650 rupees. Not a costly bat, but good for beginners as well as for players. So it is good for beginners as well as for professional batsmen. So we are going to unveil this bat. So basically this is the bat which comes with a nice cover. Let's open it. And there is also a plastic cover. Talking about the bat, it's a Kashmiri willow bat, which has 9 to 10 grains. You can look here, but I doubt whether these are the real grains or just of the paints. The doubt will be cleared after opening this plastic cover. And talking about the handle, it's probably a cane handle, and it's also a circular handle, the classical circular handle, not the elliptical one, and it comes with a good grip, and the taping is also great, and there is toe guard. The toe guard is given with the bat, but it also has a disadvantage, because I have a doubt whether there is a crack on the toe or not, so I have no way to clear that doubt. So let's open this plastic material. So this is the bat, this is the blade of the bat. So after opening the interior plastic cover of this bat, I think it's the real grain, which is, just count the number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 11. So it's a very good quality as it appears to be. And the back section of the bat has a concave curvature which will give the bat extra stroke, but this bat doesn't come with a scuff sheet, but no problem. I will first knock in the bat and then apply the scuff sheet if I wish to do so. And talking about the grip, it's a high quality grip is given there with proper taping. And it's a long handle bat, as you can see. So that's it. And as you can see, below this grip, there is a good threading done on the grip by the manufacturer, which is used for holding this grip properly, so that while playing, the grip does not rotate on this handle. So today I am not giving the review of this bat because I have to knock the blade and then have to oil it and then try some old balls, and then I'll be able to review the quality of the bat and its performance. Thank you.